Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to add a shape to a Google slide. If you click on Insert, move down to Shape, hover over that, and you'll notice that the little triangle on the right-hand side here means if you hover over it, you're going to see more menu options. So some of the shapes you can add would be typical polygons, some with curved edges, some more playful polygons, different shapes or characters, some that appear to be 3D shapes. You can add arrows, some of which are curved, cornered, whatever, callouts like speech bubbles, thought bubbles, banners, things like that. And there's a couple of different math equation type symbols as well: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, some brackets and things like that. So let's add, let's see, what's a good shape? A lightning bolt. All right, so again, notice that the lightning bolt doesn't appear. If I click my mouse and start to drag, I can get a lightning bolt with certain dimensions, and if I'm not happy with the size, I can drag these little sprites, change it again, and because it's a shape filled with color, I can change the lines. Let's say we give it a weird purplish line. The fill color, I can change that to like a bright yellow. And so I can do that with pretty much all of the shapes that I can add through that menu. Change the size, the formatting, the lines, the color, whatever. Just some nice ways to add graphics to your slides, provided that they would be appropriate. Please don't make slides busy with unnecessary stuff. Kind of makes it distracting for the person viewing. All right, so that's how you can add shapes to your Google Slides.